Hello students, myself Deepika Prajapati from Computer Department, and hello everybody. Today let's start the syllabus overview about network management and administration. So dear all students, in a 6th semester your new subject is that NMA. It stands for Network Management and Administration, and the course code about NMA is 3360703. So dear all students, in a 6th semester your NMA subject is taken by me. So dear all, here the course curriculums about NMA depends on GTU. It's Gujarat Technological University is that the diploma programs in which this course is offered computer engineering, and semester in which offered, so 6th semester. So here this is the rationale about NMA. Second one is a competency about the NMA, and then third one is the course outcomes. So course outcomes is what? So whenever you study the network management and administration, so what is the outcome sources about this course? This derived is included in course outcomes. So the theory should be taught and practical should be carried out in such a manner that students are able to acquire different learning outcomes in a cognitive, physicomotor and affective domain to demonstrate following course outcomes. So first of all, the outcomes about the course of NMA is that explain directory services and remote access. So how to access remote and directory service derived, then set up and use virtual private network. It's known as a VPN. VPN stands for a virtual private network. Then explain the network protocol and services. Then install and configure network server operating system, then configure various services on Windows Server platform, then troubleshoot about network. Here the teaching and examination scheme about NMA is that the teaching scheme in our according to lectures, theory based as well as the tutorial points given by the NEF faculty teachers guided of the theory, and P stands for a practical. So here the teaching scheme in hours of the lecture as 3 hours. Here the tutorial as well as it also consider as a teacher guided theory practice as 0 hours, and practically hours as 4. So total credit of this subject is that 7 credit, because it is the addition of lecture, tutorial plus practical. So it's given as 3 plus 4 is equals to 7 credit about this NMA subject. And examination scheme about the theory marks and practical marks is that the theory marks given as a ESC 70 and PA 30. So ESC is nothing but end semester examination, and PA is a progressive assessment. So theory based marks ESC and PA consider as 70 and 30, and practical marks consider as ESC and PA as 40 and 60. So total marks 200. So here the course content detail is nothing but our total unit, its major learning outcomes and its subtopics, and derived directory services of the NMA subject is that first of all unit number 1 exploring directory services and remote access. So what is the directory services and how to access remote services? So first of all, the major learning outcome from the unit number 1 is that describe directory services, describe different directory access protocol, then describe active directory architecture, write LDAP notation. LDAP notation is the most IMP notation about the directory architecture, depends on directory architecture as well as directory services. Then identify globally unique identifiers, then set up remote access network, and we have to study about different types of remote access protocols such as a PSTN, public switch telephone network, so and so ISDN, DSL, CATV, and these all are most IMP protocols about our directory access services. And these topics again and again asked in GTU exam, PSTN, ISDN, DSL and CATV with its full form. So dear all students, we have to learn these types of protocol and its full form. in a chapter number 1, then set up and configure VPN, list about the VPN protocol. Then next chapter number 2 is network protocols and services. So network protocols and services as included DHCP architecture and RARP. DHCP is nothing but dynamic host control protocol. So what is DHCP and what is RARP? RARP is nothing but a reverse address resolution protocol. So these all protocols consider with its full form. GTU exam again and again asked these types of protocol full form. So dear all students, you have to remember these types of protocol with its full form name. Then differentiate various IP address scheme. Then next in the second chapter included also list DNS objective, draw DNS hierarchy, then describe name resolutions, list resolvers, explain DNS registration process. Then also it included set up local and network print device. Local and network print device is nothing but our simple implementation of the installation driver about a printer. Then unit number 3 is considered as network planning and implementation. Design and configure a small network, list out network applications, then install and configure Windows Server, then create domain controller. Then next also included in chapter number 3 printing devices administration with Wins role. And then next chapter number 4 it consider as a network configuration. So major learning outcomes from the chapter number 4 network configuration is that the manage user accounts and security groups, administrator shared resources, configure backup and print server. Then next here this one is all subtopics from the chapter number 4. Here the chapter number 5 troubleshooting of the networks. So troubleshoot network faults, set priorities, work with network troubleshooting tools, assign file permission to user groups, so and so, internal security troubleshooting tools, related hardware and software monitoring, as well as isolated the problem, setting priorities, segmentation problems, so and so. So these types of troubleshooting of network we have to troubleshoot the networking. So dear all students, this subject totally depends on networking and how to manage and administrating of the network. So this subject is taken by me, and dear all students, you don't worry, it is very easily understood and remember very easily. So dear all students, don't worry about this subject. Next, here the suggested specification table with hours and marks. So here whenever any GTU exam conduct, so chapter number 1 consider as a 12 marks, chapter number 2 consider as a 18 marks, chapter number 3 consider as a 16 marks, chapter number 4 contain as a 14 marks, and chapter number 5 contain as a 10 marks. So here 18, 16 and 14, it means 2, 3 and 4 chapter is a very most important chapter regarding our GTU exam, university exam. So RUA is nothing but R is a R stands for remembrance, U stands for understanding, A stands for application, and above levels revised Bloom's taxonomy. So dear all students, these types of chapter and its marks consider as in our GTU university exam, and note that this specification table shall be treated as a general guideline for students and teachers. The actual distribution of mark in the question paper may vary slightly from above table. And here now, what is the practically session about NMA? So suggested list of the exercise and practicals about NMA is, first of all, execute basic TCP IP utilities and command. So dear all students, you have already studied about these types of command in a previous semester in a computer network as well. computer network and security subject. So dear all students, these are all types of command you already studied it in a previous semester in a computer network and security. Then second, configure a router, Ethernet and serial interface using router commands. Then configure VPN components and set up VPN. Then design and implement small network using actual physical component with IP address scheme. And then exercise as well as our practical number 5 is considered as a configuration of the following. First of all, remote login service telnet as well as SSH. Then configure of FTP server and accessing in via FTP client file transfer protocol. Then setting up and configuring local print device as well as network print device. Creating Windows Server bootable disk, installing Windows Server, installing and configure Linux Server, and then managing user account and device configuration based on Linux Server, then Telnet and VNC configure, then Windows connectivity through Samba Server, web server, FTP server configure, proxy server configure, and so totally 23 practical session in network management system, and these all practically perform any practical from the above for the total 56-hour duration, so that all of units are covered. So dear all students, this is our practically list and now suggested list of students activities. So here this is the student activities, and here the learning resources, it means the list of booking. So here the list of books, you can use the reference book with its author name. So here the title of book, author name and publication. So dear all students, you have to use reference book for the NMA subject. If anybody cannot use any reference book, so don't worry, here I will be given any material about anime on a Google Classroom, so don't worry, and you can also use the reference book with its author. So this is our title of book and with its author name and publication. This is the list of major equipment instrument with a broad specification, and this is our learning website and the list of software. So dear all students, I hope you all are easily understand about the syllabus overview regarding NMA subject. Okay, thanks.